Good evening. Let's start this World Weather Roundup in America, where we had an emergency tornado warning issued on Monday. They don't happen very often, but they happen when the tornadoes, the storms, are heading towards highly populated areas. And that is something we saw during the course of Monday. They did cause tornadoes. This is some damage from Hinds County in Mississippi, and that risk of tornadoes continued into Tuesday across southern and eastern states. In fact, not just tornadoes, but the risk of soaking rains, freezing rain and some snow as well. And that risk is receding somewhat on Wednesday. It's the heat wave, though, as we head to Australia, that's causing concern. We do have a cold weather front coming in here, which will intensify the winds. Now, the fire risk, the bushfire risk, is extreme in places, and that will only exacerbate the situation with stronger winds. That heat is now edging its way ever eastwards. So it is and has been record breaking. Places like Adelaide will see temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius for 4 days in a row. So some really dangerous heat as well, and extremely high levels of UV. You can see the temperature does dip away with the passage of that weather front, but with that weather front, as I mentioned, some very lively winds to come. In contrast, however, in New Zealand, we've got wet and windy weather, and it's cold enough for some snow. So there are warnings out because it's been so wet so far this December that flooding is anticipated in some parts of the North and South Island.